Hello amazing fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I curl my 4C hair using rods. So let's get into this video. So I blow my hair out already, so now I'm gonna show you how I curl my hair. And the product that I'm going to be using today is African oil for natural hair. Wait there. It's argan oil, not African oil. And I'm gonna be using Mousse. Read some of here. So I already straightened my hair. Not straighten my hair, I already blow my hair out. So let's get into it. And these are the rods that I'm using. I got this from the store for $1.99 and from the beauty supply store, and 12 came in it, so for $1.99. So I'm gonna part my hair, and even though I wash my hair and I blew it out, my roots are still thick and I am tender-headed. So I'm taking my time, and my part is not gonna be perfect because at the end of the day, like after you get all these curls, no one really gonna be seeing the part. They're just gonna be checking out the curls. So as you can see, my part is not straight, but you know, I'm still gonna work with it and do what I have to do. I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna put some on my hair. So I'm gonna take my time and I'm gonna wrap these rods around my hair, and I'm gonna roll it up. I'm gonna try to make it as tight as possible. And I make sure to moisturize my hair. And like you see before, I have my Blue Magic, and I use that because when I use Blue Magic, I realize that my hair don't really get dry and my scalp is not itchy. So I already did half my hair, and you can see right now, like I said, it's not going to be perfect. It's looking a little sloppy right now. It's not perfect, but trust and believe, when we take them out and you see the curl, it's a different thing. It's not as neat because I'm doing it by myself, but listen, trust the process. So I didn't know these rods were going to be so hard to open. And you know, I have nails. You know, I just did my nails like a week ago, and I didn't want to try to take it off and go flip one of my nails off because you know this glue is not that strong. So I said, you know what, let me use the best thing, and that was my teeth. I'm not advising you guys to use your teeth. Get somebody to open it for you, or you know, maybe you guys have a better luck of doing it. But when I was trying to do it, like to open these, like it was giving me a hard time. I think it's because I'm wearing these nails and doing my hair, but I'm telling you, I was having such a hard time trying to do this. Like the struggle was real. Like I think I broke at least 12 of these, and I have to return it back to the beauty supply store because I paid $1.99. I know it's not much, but that's the whole pack. That's the whole pack that got broke. I know I want my money back, but I still have 3 more packs, so I'm gonna use those. But I'm telling you, and look at this. Listen. I did it and it wasn't doing right, and I just take it out, and you can already see the curl already formed just by putting it for 2 seconds. Look how much my break. Look how much. No, I'm gonna get my money back. I'm gonna get my money back. Nope. and give my money back.
Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a smile? I'm out of time. She's out the door. I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a smile? I'm out of time. She's out the door. I gotta go for mine. Let the girl say and I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say
Oh, this is how my hair is looking right now. This is how it's looking, and I am going to put some mousse in my hair. I'm gonna rub it in. Jesus, the mousse now come out. Jesus. The mousse are going like you wanna shame me, but mousse. And I'm gonna rub it in my hair. Like tap, 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 tap. Tap, 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 tap. Tap it, tap it, tap it, tap it, tap, tap, tap. See that? Alright, so this is how my hair look. And I'm not gonna go on a dryer because I have some stuff I have to do, so I'm just gonna walk around while my hair dry. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use a blow dryer. Is it long enough? I'm gonna use a blow dryer and I'm gonna put it on heat and I'm gonna use it to dry my hair a little bit, and I'm gonna walk around and do some errands, and then I'm gonna take it out. So I'm gonna use my hand and separate the curls to get it fluffy because I want it to look thick. So I'm just playing with it a little bit, playing with the curl, and this is how it's looking. Look at that color, look at the curl. I'm gonna play with it some more because I think it's still kind of flat, but I'm gonna play with it some more, and I'll come back and show you guys. So this is how it's looking. All right guys, thank you guys for watching. I love you guys. Have a wonderful day.